Prokan Bespoke Modular Outdoor Kitchen easily opens your imagination about your outdoor living style. Bespoke modular design allows you to build the outdoor kitchen fit and match with your space, lifestyle, and budget. Built to endure the test of time, Prokan grills exemplify longevity through robust craftsmanship and durable materials, ensuring countless years of exceptional grilling experiences. Rust-proof cast aluminum firebox can sustain harsh weather in all weather conditions. Heavy-duty solid 304 stainless cooking grids provide excellent heat conduction and maintenance. Large total cooking area with 670 square inches cooking surface. Premium stainless 304 burners and flame tamers. Powerful stainless 304 40,000 BTU main burners. Seamless rust-proof firebox. Ignite the culinary potential of your barbecue experience with the powerful 12,000 BTU ceramic rear burner. Easy access front pull-out grease tray. Blending the joy of grilling with the pleasure of open-air gatherings, creating a relaxed and vibrant lifestyle where friends and family come together to savor delicious food amidst the beauty of nature. The sink at the barbecue party simplifies cleanup, providing a convenient and effortless way for wash-up. Trash bins at the barbecue party effortlessly ensures a tidy and enjoyable cookout experience. The countertop serves as a versatile hub, offering a convenient space for food preparation and presentation, enhancing the overall efficiency and enjoyment of the culinary festivities. Elevate your outdoor kitchen with our cutting-edge stain-resistant countertop, marrying timeless aesthetics with advanced durability, for a pristine and enduring culinary workspace. The pull-out pantry offers a space-efficient storage solution, enhancing kitchen organization and functionality. The 63-liter fridge offers plenty of room with adjustable shelves, keep ingredients fresh and beverages cool. Prokan Bespoke Modular Outdoor Kitchen offers all the features you need to enjoy the outdoor cookout while gathering with your friends and family. Prokan grills, built to last for generations of gathering.